Good morning y'all and welcome to my channel. For today's video I did this makeup look which is very much inspired by Dawson's SUPERLUV music video. I love this song, I've been listening to it non-stop. In the music video when he's in hero mode, he's wearing a pink costume, so pink. And then when he is not in a hero mode, he's wearing blue extensions and a blue necktie. So that's what I got the inspiration from. I'm gonna insert just a part of the music here. Okay, let's go to the video. We're gonna go for foundation. So last time I was buying some beauty products, I got a sample from the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation number 2N. So I take some on my beauty sponge. It's a bit light, nothing powder and bronzer can fix. So I haven't filmed in like forever because I've been extremely busy with work. Ooh, I look like a ghost. Not cool. So this is, as I can see, the medium coverage foundation, which I don't mind for today because I'm having a good skin day. Foundation is applied and I'm actually not mad at it because it looks very nice on the skin. Medium coverage and the color is not my color, but I don't mind it, it looks good. After that we're gonna go with concealer, Maybelline, Age Rewind, as always. My beauty blender, and we go to town on that. Yeah, that is very light. It's the same color as my concealer. After foundation and concealer, we'll go with powder. I'll be using the powder by Cherry Hydra Powder. And it came with a brush, so I'll be using it with a brush. I've already used this powder before. It's very fine milled. So around the eyes, I'll be taking it on a beauty blender and just look up and apply before I get any creases. If you have dry skin around your eyes, do not use a beauty blender because you will be putting too much and then it will show right away. Now I will take the kabuki brush that came with the powder to go all over my face. Now that the face is powdered, we're gonna go for bronzing. The NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And I take the first color, the lightest of the darks, and this is going to be my contour shade. I don't really contour that much anyways. I rather use blush. Bronzing is done. I told you I don't use much. Now I'm gonna go for blush, and I'll be taking the Sephora I'm in Love number 33, which is a pink blush. Now we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Morphe concealer, which is white, because I need these colors to pop, and pop they will. For this look, I'll be using the Jawbreaker palette, Jeffree Star, and we're gonna start with Soaked, which is a very beautiful, beautiful blue. And this is going to be our crease color. I'm just gonna pack it on. And now the first color is applied. I'm gonna take Brain Freeze on another Morphe brush and it's gonna go just right next to it. And then I'm gonna blend out Soaked with Brain Freeze. I'm gonna go back to Soaked just to intensify the color a little bit. Stamping the color on. And now I'm gonna darken the outer corner using Delicious, which is a very dark bluish purple. Go back to Soaked just to blend out Delicious. After that I'm gonna go to the Mini Breaker and the color is Oral. And this is going to go on the lids. On the center of the lid and the inner corner, I'll be using Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette. Doing some kind of halo eye. Now we're gonna go for the bottom lashes, and I'll be using YEUX. Now we're gonna go to the other eye, and we're gonna start with Cherry Wet. It's going to be our crease color, and outer corner. After Cherry Wet, I'm gonna take Bubblegum, and it's going to go from here to the inner corner, and as well I'm gonna blend out Cherry Wet with it. They go so well together. Small circular motions. Take your time. Now I'm gonna use Raspberry to darken the outer corner. Very controlled application, a very small pointed brush, because I do not want it to go everywhere. I'm gonna take some Cherry Wet again and blend out Raspberry. And now for the under eyes, I'm gonna go for the Mini Breaker Fall Play. It looks like bubblegum but a little bit darker, which I don't mind at all. Ooh, that's pretty. For the lid and the inner corner, we're gonna do the same thing, Oral and Jawbreaker. I can't believe I finished the eyes and there is no fallout on my face. Even though there was some fallout in the palettes, in both palettes, but nothing on my face, so I don't care. For mascara, I'll be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, because I really don't want to wear falsies. Just some mascara and that will be all. While waiting for the top lashes to dry, I'm gonna go for the highlight, and it will be the Platinum Ice Jeffree Star. So I'll be using Pink Chill on this side, and then Glacier on the other side. You see that? You see that? Again, going over the blend and on top. Another reason why I like not having eyebrows. On the nose, I'll be only using Pink Chill. This is such a pretty color. It has so many reflections. In some lights, it's yellow, then most of the lights, it's pink, and sometimes green and gold. And now the top lashes are dry. I'm gonna go for the bottom lashes. Again, Bad Gal Bang. To finish the eye look, I put NYX black liner in my waterline, and now we're gonna go to the lips, and I'll be using Jeffree Star Calabasas. In the center, I'll be putting some doll parts. With this makeup look is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Subscribe if you want to. I'll be again posting every Friday between 5 and 6, so I really hope to see you again. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!